At this point, I realized that the axle came off from me hitting the brake too hard. Highly recommend setting your brake settings a little bit lower than 100%. I have mine set at 100% because I like to do front flips when I'm on the ramps and stuff. Just with one flip, it broke. Ended up breaking this weak point, which I'm gonna head and order the M2C Racing one. So get this one fixed up real quick because I did something at the skate park and so right now what I'm doing is I have to take off the top control arm ball point that connects to the hub, release that so I can put the axle back into place and go ahead and put it back together so I can go ahead and drive it. Simple fix is a common issue. Right here you see me kind of struggling because I didn't want to loosen the bottom one. If you loosen the bottom one a little bit and you're able to, put them both at the same time type deal, it makes it easier. But I go in ahead and do it this way because it makes it quicker, easier. I had to pull up on the control arm so I can be able to get the Allen key in there through that hole. I didn't have the proper tools to take it apart completely. I had enough tools to be able to fix what I had to fix. Thinking to myself, saying I should have brought a drill. And here I'm trying to make it even. A little bit of struggle. Put the knot on. Yep, that nut. Right here you're gonna see that my hand slips off the nut. Oop, there it goes. Put it back on. Put it nice and tight. Sitting here stealing batteries from a different remote for a simple fact that I left the remote on, so the batteries for that remote was there, so I had to swap them out. Here I am kind of frustrated, so I start grabbing my batteries, put them all together, trying to make everything organized a little bit. Whole bunch of pack of 3S's over there. I didn't get to even use all of them, only got to use what's on the truck, which is 2 3S packs. Okay, I'm almost ready. Do y'all want to drive it?
No, I want to see it. So her doesn't know how to drive these. I want to see it. They know this one. You have to build them.
That's my daughter in the background with her friend. She just met at the skate park. We go a lot to the skate parks because she's learning how to ride her stunt scooter and her skateboard. Whoop, forgot the camera. Here we go. a little bit of action, nothing
Daddy,
crazy.
where are we going again? Like, where are we going again? Not yet. We'll go all the way down after, and then we can go to the I know something.
At this point, I see a dog running away from his owner. So I start running towards the dog because the owner is disabled on crutches and the dog was pretty far, so I had to help out.